So Gary's Cavalier is really riding the subframe snapped, like right down the road from work. So we got one of our buddies at a different shop down the street bringing a forklift over to bring the Cavalier back to work. But Matt said he's giving Gary 50 bucks and we're just gonna put random stuff in the oil and let it run the red line until it blows up. All right, we're gonna blow up the Cavalier today. We were gonna put dish soap and water in it, but we decided we're just gonna start putting random fluids in it. We're gonna start with some windshield washer fluid.
It just depends what we have.
We have some tire gel soap stuff we're gonna put in it. We're gonna need a lot of that because you have to now get it out of that.
I'll shake it.
Some gritty hand soap. It's like foam.
This feels so wrong.
Next up.
God.
One more. Some sand for the sandblasting cabinet. Yep, right there. Safety first. We got a fire extinguisher, previously used. That runs fine. We gotta put in a red line.
Start it. No way. Come on. That's it? We did put sand in there. No way. Dude, it smells like Old Bay out the exhaust.
Really?
Oh God, it smells awful. Does this not smell like Old Bay? Oh! To the floor! Oh! Hold on.
Oh, I think that's it.
That's it. She's done. I think that's it.
That's definitely done now. What? How? Okay, make sure you close the hood. No, like close it. Close it. Don't crack the windshield. Yeah, pop the dent out. I just dented it. Oh, Jesus.
Doing some body work? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. There's the dent.
Oh, you killed it.
There's glass in there.